This is a 1-bedroom apartment unit that we did a renovation on. I will post a video that shows the valuation increase and how I calculated that in the future. It'll be in the notes to this video as well as the end screen if you are a passive or active investor, to see how I calculated that. This unit, we did new paint, some new flooring, an entire new bathroom, exterior doors, some new hardware, and it turned out pretty clean. But the big question that you'd be asking yourself is, was the renovation money spent worth what we got out of the project, the increase in rent? So on this project, we raised rent from $739 a month to $940 plus tax a month. So that sounds great. It's an extra $200 a month per unit. But the question you got to ask yourself is the money that we spent on the renovation increasing the valuation of the property, and then how long is it going to take for us to recapture that? So you can see the sewer lines there in the bathroom going in, all the in-wall plumbing. That was definitely the biggest ask on this project, was just replacing the vanity, all the in-wall plumbing, the sewer lines. And then as you can see behind that wall, we installed a washer dryer unit. So this 1-bedroom apartment, we got an extra $200 a month with a new bathroom and a new washer dryer, and then just essentially paint, and then replacing all of the in-wall plumbing there. So turned out pretty clean. Like I said, stay tuned. I will post another video that shows how I calculated the valuation increase on this property, just so that if you end up facing those decisions in the future, you can make the decision of whether or not the cost of the renovation is going to make sense to drive the valuation higher, as well as the cash flow.